Hey guys, what's going on? I want to show you guys a really easy way. I didn't think it was going to work as good as it did, but good old Tyler here had faith, so he fixed what I ordered from eBay. I ordered new lights for the Forester, if you guys recall, because this one was right pooched, and no matter what I did, it would always get water in it. So I said, screw it, bought a used set from Thailand. They arrived, and luck would have it, both of them had broken tabs all over the place. So I semi-fixed this one because it wasn't too terribly bad, but this light looks a lot better than that one, and I think this one might be an STI one, just for the simple fact it's a dull silver versus like a chrome. But anyway, I wanted matching lights. So Tyler came over, and he said he knew a way how to fix them, and he used chicken wire up there, my good old handy chicken wire that I have never used before besides like a 4-inch piece. And I don't know if you guys can see it very well, but he basically plastic welded it, attached it, heated up the wire with a soldering iron, melted it into the plastic, into the broken pieces, and got it to work perfectly. Like, it's stronger than it was before. This piece is off. You could see all the plastic melted at the bottom. He did a really good job. I epoxied these 3 times and left them overnight. Left them for 2 nights, and it ended up breaking. Just like this piece here. So this piece is off of this right here. Epoxied the crap out of with JB Weld epoxy at that. And it didn't work. So if you want an easy way to fix your headlight clips, use some chicken wire, heat it up with a soldering iron, push it into the plastic, and then if you can't get a piece of similar plastic to cover it and basically just seal it all in there, it's the best way to do things, man. It works. So yeah, I've been having such a hard time finding headlights for this thing. They're really rare. When I bought this thing, people told me, you know, they're rare pieces, and I was like, yeah, whatever. Like, I could use whatever. No, you have to use specific headlights for this thing, and they're very hard to find. So if you get one of these and they're HIDs, know that you're gonna have a hard time finding them, A, and B, they leak a lot. So whatever you do, don't drill holes in them. Like my original, because that one, I'm pretty sure that's why it keeps getting water in it and ruining this ballast. This ballast actually works. It's just I got to dry it out now again. But we're going to put this headlight in here, and it's going to have nice headlights now, thanks to Tyler. And yeah, if anyone needs a set of headlights for a SG5, SG9 Forester facelift, let me know. And we'll get you we're going to fix that one. We're going to take it apart and reseal it. And yeah, hopefully this is the start of an easy ownership for this thing, because since I've got it, as you know, all of you, it's been a money pit. So I actually just took the intercooler off, cleaned it up. There was no blow-by in the intercooler at all, none in the throttle body, but there was some in the turbo, which tells me that it needs a catch can. So I will be following my video instructions on my YouTube channel and buying a catch can setup and putting it in. But yeah, that's all I got to say. Oh, one more thing. Someone asked me how loud this thing is. I bought a decibel meter to keep in my car, so when EPS pulls me over, and also to test this fan. So you're welcome, whoever asked. That reads at 90 decibels at the loudest setting, mic right up close. If the mic is like 2 feet away, it reads about 83 decibels. So it's loud, but it's not crazy loud. So anyway, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have broken headlight tabs or whatever, and it's not ruining the seal, you can easily fix it with some mesh or wire, soldering iron, melt it in. But yeah, that's all I have. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. All right, peace.